It's a snow day today, so let's play with some new makeup. This is what it's looking like outside. Can you tell? It's just all white. Let's first dive into this Morphe palette. This is the Naughty eyeshadow palette. I don't know if I featured this on my channel yet or not. Morphe eyeshadows, one of the best. I'd say they like rival ColourPop if you haven't tried them. Here is what it looks like. I'm thinking I want to do like a very sparkly look, so let's just go ahead, and I'm just using some concealer to prime my eyes. I'm going to put this shade right here just all over my lid with a fluffy brush. It's kind of like a pinkish shade. I think I'm gonna do something very different, kind of break the makeup rules, so to speak. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here on just a flat brush. Let's see how this looks. Okay, let me use my finger. That looks okay, could look better. Okay, yes, that's really nice. Just like a nice shimmery. Now I'm gonna take this pink right here and still on my finger. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I know, it's not a normal thing. I just want it like the shimmer to go, you know, like just all the way. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and just kind of blend those two together, and then blend that pink shade up even further to where it kind of blows out just a little bit. I want some depth though, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Again, it is sparkly, putting it right on my finger and right on the edge. Oh, that's so pretty. Looks even prettier on my finger. With that same brush, just going to blend that out and up, really. Next, I'm taking just a flat angle brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just line the very outer corner of my eye, just to give it some depth in that outer corner. Just going in with some black eyeliner on my tight line, and then we're gonna try some new mascara. This is the Selestia Beauty Queen Cobra Royal Volume and Curl Mascara. Mine is in the shade 10 Black. I believe you can get this on Amazon. I think it was the packaging that got me too, because look at this. It is an actual Cobra. That is pretty cool. Let's see what we're working with here. What I'm looking for in a mascara is something that lengthens and most importantly volumizes, like thickens, because I already have very long lashes, so I don't really need like a whole lot of lengthening, although I do like it. I need more thickening, so this is what the wand looks like. Nothing fancy, very normal. Everyone said my one pass in my other mascara video was not a true one pass, you know, one coat, but that's like my one coat, you know? I'm not just gonna go like one. Who does that? Nobody. I want to give it like a true coating, you know? So far, I do see it like separating. It's not very dark though. It's not giving me a lot of thickness. What do you think? Let's go in with another coat. Okay, that's a little better, but it's just okay. It's not blowing me away. Overall, this Cobra mascara is just okay. It's not bad, but it's not great either. Eyes are done. Now for the fun part, let me put my hair back. We're gonna use an Ulta Beauty Matte Veil Face Primer. This is like the little travel size. It's very thick. Okay. Oh wow, it like instantly mattifies my face. I haven't used a matte primer in a minute. It feels really nice though, like very smoothing. Okay, I actually really like that. Let's see if it keeps me matte, which in the wintertime could be bad. This is the Morphe Lightform Extended Hydration Foundation. Mine is in the shade Medium 08N, which is a light medium with neutral undertones. It will probably be a little bit dark for me right now because I am pretty pale, but we're gonna make it work. I've never tried a Morphe foundation. I've only tried eyeshadow. Pretty big. I said it's pretty big. It's like a normal foundation size. I'm gonna do one side with, one side without. We're gonna try with a sponge that's really dirty because, you know, that's how we roll. I'm gonna do it right directly on my sponge. I don't like doing the back of my hand mess. I just don't like my hands being dirty. And yeah, so we're gonna do it right on the sponge, maybe. Yeah. One day. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Hello, did I get a dud? So my pump isn't working, so we're just gonna take it directly out. Just do this kind of messy mess, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. We'll try the other side with a brush because it is looking pretty light coverage. It's definitely not my shade right now, but it's fine. Like I said, we'll make it work. That literally did not cover much at all because as you can see, I have acne. Let's go with the brush on the other side. I mean, it evened it out, but that's not what we're looking for, okay? We're looking for coverage. This is really messy. Okay, it got over my sweatshirt. That's cool. I'm thinking the brush will have more coverage. Yeah, definitely. Kind of irritated about the pump, not gonna lie. Brush just definitely has more coverage, but it is very streaky. Very streaky. Let me just go in with the sponge. See, it like takes the coverage away when I go in with the sponge, but I feel like I have to or else it's gonna be streaky. I am not liking this. I really wish the pump was working. Let me try it again. I mean, the pump's gotta be broken, right? It's gotta be. Oh wait, it's coming out. Okay. I've got it, so at least that's not messy. Putting a little bit more on this side. I don't know, y'all. It is not... The colors throw me off, to be honest, because it is very dark for me right now, but it is... It just doesn't look that great on my skin. I mean, look, when I do that, it's like... I'm not liking this foundation. I'm just gonna use the sponge just to get rid of those streaks so we can move on. I don't even think it looks that good on my skin. I don't know, it just looks like it's just sitting there. It is not my favorite. It just, I just don't like it. I just don't like it. We'll see how it wears, but I'll put how it wears down in the comments. But for now, the way it looks right now, I do not like it, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face until the next step, and then I'll be back to show you. We'll do 2 more pieces of new makeup. I'm back. My eyes are done. I've got lower lash mascara on, which I think looks really good. It actually worked really well on my lower lashes, separating and not making it messy and everything. So mascara is good, not great. I hate the foundation. It's like come off already and it's just not it. So let's move on to blush, which I'm super excited for this product. This is the Profusion Blush Crush Bouncy Cream to Powder Blush. Mine is in the shade Peach Crush. I have high hopes for this because Profusion is great. However, I'm kind of scared that it's going to take off my foundation underneath because I think I've just had bad luck in the past. Plus this foundation sucks, so anything could move it. This is what it looks like. Okay, it is like, not like super bouncy, but it is a little giving. Go in, I don't know how much is too much. Go in like this. Yeah, it does feel like powder, it actually does. I don't think it's taking off anything underneath. Actually, it may be because I can see my freckles a lot more on this side. Let me use this kind of brush. Let me see what that does. We're definitely getting color payoff, but I can't tell if it's taking it off underneath or if that's just how bad my foundation is. It's okay. It definitely doesn't go with my eyes. I want to try this again with a different foundation and a different eye look, but I mean, it's okay. Is it something that's revolutionary? Not really. It's good. It's good. I definitely want to give it another try though with some different products. Last product we're using is this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. This is not a new line, but it is a new color for me. This is the shade Fifth Avenue. This is not my first time trying it. I have used this before and I know I love it, but I want you guys to see how pretty this shade is. I'm not using any lip liner. I just want to go right in. It's just like a darker mauve-y shade. Actually, it looks really good with my eyes. I love this. I wore it the other night for dinner and it stayed on throughout the whole dinner. Did not come off, did not feel drying. This is one of my favorite lip formulas for matte lips other than the NYX lingerie ones. And that's it for new makeup, you guys. So far we had a few hits, one really big miss. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried these products? Do you like them? What other new makeup do you want me to try? I have several over here that you can't see that I'm super excited for. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.